How to buy limited edition sneakers on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, you'll be learning how you can buy limited edition of sneakers on Flight Club. As we all know, Flight Club is indeed a fantastic place to explore in order to get a wonderful sneaker. So to do that, the first step is to log in into Flight Club website, just like I have done here. And then once you have done that, you'll be brought to the page. So the first step in order to get limited editions of sneakers is to start by browsing out their extensive collections. All right. So on Flight Club, we have different kind of editions and different kind of brands, different kind of collections of Jordan, of Nike, of Adidas. For example, by the time you scroll down to the bottom part of the screen, you can see the different brands that are available on Flight Club. So you can try by checking out the brand you want, the brand whose limited edition is what you want, or you could just decide to go to the new releases or the top 20 picks. All right, oftentimes the top 20 picks are the ones that are often limited and the one in trend. So you can just select any one depending on the one you want, then move to the right side and click on the box that would the option that will take you to the next page in order for you to shop and browse through the different kind of sneakers available. So for me, I'll be working with the new releases. So I'll just move to the right side there and click on shop new releases. And then once you've done that, you will be brought to the releases page. And as you can see, the result says that there are 100 sneakers that falls under this category. All right. And once you can see this, the next step for you to do is to scroll down and check out the kind of sneaker that you want. So you can also move to the right side and use the branding to sort it out. All right, like I said earlier. And then the next step would be for you to choose your size. All right, you can't just pick any kind of shoes without picking a size. So for me, I'm just going to pick a size now. And then so after picking a size, you do it for the sneakers page to load so that you can see the one available. So for new releases, this is the only one available. So if you're okay by it, just select it and then you'll be taken to the next page where you can go ahead and book. And there you can see details about the products. You can see the different colors, all right, the different sides to the sneakers. And if it's okay by you, just scroll down, all right, and then click on the amount. And then after clicking on the amount, scroll down and click on checkout. And so you'll be taken to the checkout page. So yeah, you can decide to check out as a guest or you can decide to, log in depending on the one you want. So for me, I'll just click on login on my account. The best is to have an account with Flight Club so that you can have maximum experience. And then once you're on this page, the next step here is to enter in your shipping address by entering your full name, and every other thing that is associated with you. Just go ahead and fill it out. All right, so I'm just going to do that now. And then scroll down, then click on continue. But before then, ensure that all of the required fields has been selected. And so the continue option will be available. So click on continue. And then after doing that, you'll be taken to the next stage. And then once you're on this stage, you can see the different you can see by the left side you can see the details about the sneakers that I have ordered. You can see shipping address has been added, then you can see shipping method. So the next step would be for you to enter in the your card, all right, the name on the card, your card number and all of that, then click on continue. If you do not want to make use of card, you can click other payment method, and if you have a promo code you can apply it. And then after making payment, your shoe or your sneakers would be shipped, and all you need to do is to wait for a notification that it has been delivered, then go to the delivery point and get your sneakers. So this is how you can buy limited edition of sneakers on Flight Club. So ensure you try this out and have an amazing time shopping on this wonderful website. Thank you for watching and have a good day.